Hello everyone, and welcome back to my chatty, sassy channel here on YouTube, where we talk about all things luxury, be it luxury travel, luxury fashion, or life's luxuries in general. Today, I am doing my Louis Vuitton Murakami unboxing. I am so excited to unbox this with you guys, to have this piece. I have not even opened this yet because I wanted to do it live on camera with you guys. I'm also going to be talking about my Murakami multicolor experience and how much Louis Vuitton has dropped the ball with this highly anticipated collection. So with that, let's get into the unboxing. Now, first off, I am really glad that I at least got the Murakami ribbon and the little Louis Vuitton character thing for this collection. Really glad about that. Disappointed that they did not send me a shopping bag, but they did send me a little pack of the stickers. So in some of the stores, they had little vending machines, and if you scanned your receipt, you would get like stickers or Tamagotchis or other little things. So excited to have those. And then the way that I was able to get my piece is that I called customer service. Nashville didn't get this in. I was not able to pre-order, and it was sold out online. So I called customer service and they were able to secure this for me. So let me go ahead and open it. But here it is, my one piece of multicolor. This is the cosmetic pouch. The cosmetic pouch PM. Yes, it is small. Yes, it is extremely overpriced. Everything in this collection was extremely overpriced because to do this, there is an extra licensing deal. And so they use that to justify jacking up the price on everything from what the normal products are. I decided that I was okay with that because to me, growing up, I didn't know that the multicolor wasn't a regular thing that Louis Vuitton did. I didn't know it was a collaboration. And so to me, the multicolor was Louis Vuitton. I loved the white multicolor. I liked the black too, but I loved the white. The white and the black multicolor to me was Louis Vuitton. And so when I got old enough to actually be able to afford these things and learned that it was a collaboration and they no longer did it, I was really kind of sad about that. And so I'm so excited to have my own little piece, and then you unzip it and the inside of these pieces are beige, and the original pieces had like dark red and pink interiors, which bled. The dark red bled onto the white, which caused an issue in the original run. So they just went ahead and got ahead of that by doing beige. And then I don't know if my camera will be able to focus on it or not, but there is a special patch in here that shows that it's part of the Murakami collection. And so yeah, really excited about that. Now, like I said, price point on this one hurt me a lot. It hurt my soul a lot. But this is my one piece of multicolor. I would like to get a vintage piece. I would love to have a vintage Audra in the white. I would love to have that, and to me that would be a vintage piece and a new piece, and that would just be really perfect and really, to me, complete my Louis Vuitton collection. This was not easy to get. Trying to pre-order for this collection was so difficult and so frustrating. And then to find out that in Nashville, even if I had been able to pre-order, a lot of pre-orders were not able to be totally fulfilled in Nashville. There were a lot of people who maybe pre-ordered one piece, didn't even get that piece. They got in a few bags, not much. And from what I have understood, it was a very long line, and the pieces, the few pieces that they did have, the few bags they did have, went extremely quickly. This is a collection that for so many people means so much to them. They identify so much as being Louis Vuitton. So many people wanted to just own a piece of this collection. And so to make it so difficult to get the pieces from this drop, particularly the smaller pieces that a lot of people can afford, given the difficult financial climate that we're in right now, given people trying to tighten their budgets, given the fact that it happened right after Christmas, people were desperate to get just a small piece, just to have a small piece of their own of this collection. People who, like me, grew up as little girls seeing this. People who were in college seeing this, but they couldn't afford it because they were college students. But then to have the website where the website was malfunctioning for people all day, and I get that a large part of that is due to traffic, but at the same time, if you know that traffic's coming, you need to prepare your website for that. But then to not have things in the store, to not have the foresight to know that this collection was going to be massive. And Louis Vuitton knew this collection was going to be massive. They knew this could be a cash cow. To not have the stock that is necessary is so incredibly frustrating. And I get that some of their collections, some of their other collections have not done as well. But this is just great canvas. It's great canvas. It is iconic canvas. I don't see how this collection could not have done well. And I think that they had such poor planning that it resulted in a lot of issues. Also, there were so many like small pieces, like why was there not a mini pochette in this? Why wouldn't you make the cosmetic pouches in both colors? Why wouldn't you make the clay in both colors? Why would you make it so that the clay is not available in a lot of countries? That's such a great piece that people can buy. And I get it, they're probably trying to force people to buy more and bigger pieces, but that really kind of stinks. And like most of us don't have the funds and don't want to spend the funds. Even if we do have them, to buy a whole lot of different pieces, we want a piece. We want a small usable piece. And they didn't really give us a lot of that. Also, I saw, and this could be a fake thing. It could be that they got the piece, they got food on it, and then they brought it into the store. But I did see on an Instagram page, I think it's like LV Darren or something like that, where they posted a picture of someone who had purchased a wallet and the wallet had like color smears on it. Imagine getting the piece that you had pre-ordered, that you had wanted, and it came in and it wasn't pristine and perfect. I've already had enough bad experiences with Louis Vuitton customer service. I expected this to be just an absolute dumpster fire, and it kind of was. I think at this point, with exception of maybe a piece in Paris, maybe, and that's a big maybe, I'm done buying from Louis Vuitton. You will not see me buy any more Louis Vuitton in the store. I now have my multicolor piece, which is my piece of Louis Vuitton heritage that I wanted. I have my trunk. Everything else, I think Louis Vuitton is batting way more than it should on price. I think that its quality has gone downhill. I think it has terrible customer service. And I honestly just think that they have completely lost their direction. Pharrell is the only one who seems to know what he's doing at Louis Vuitton, and honestly, Pharrell's pieces are priced so high on the pieces that I like that I'm just like, nah, I'm good. And I think that that is my issue with Louis Vuitton. I think that's why you will never see me buy any more Louis Vuitton. I will not be buying any of the other collections because none of the other collections mean anything to me. So I'm thrilled to have this in my collection. I will actually be using this. I'm going to use this in my Neverfull as a pouch. So this was my final Louis Vuitton unboxing.